Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the new video. I hope everyone are doing well. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about all ops like DevOps, DevSecOps, AIOps, MLOps, DataOps, FinOps. What exactly these ops is and what is the difference? And if you see nowadays, the AI and MLOps, these FinOps, these areas job opportunities are increasing. If you apply for DevOps also, in bracket you can see MLOps and AI ops. So what is the scope in the future? We are going to discuss about that and what exactly the ops is like DevOps and with respect to key features of the DevOps and some benefits of DevOps. Likewise, each and every ops, key features, benefits, and what exactly is that particular ops. And finally, I made some comparison between sorry all these ops and get some overview idea and benefits of some key takeaways of all these ops. Okay, without further ado, let's enter into the video and have a discussion about these particular ops. Okay, so let me maximize my screen. Yeah, I think it's fine now. Okay, so first of all, we know DevOps. DevOps is a one of the area where it majorly focuses on development plus operations. Okay, this is called DevOps. In the name itself, it is there. DevOps. Dev in the sense development, and ops in the sense operations. It is a combination of software development as well as IT operations ops, and it main aim is to deliver a software very faster in a rapid manner and more efficiently. It promotes automation, continuous integration, continuous delivery or deployment. CI/CD was the main motto of this, and monitoring to improve software development workflows. Main aim of this was to integrate development team and IT operations into a single framework. That is a methodology which is called a DevOps. Okay, now we will see what are the futures of DevOps. The main futures of DevOps was CI/CD pipeline. As I said, it is a continuous integration and continuous deployment or delivery, where it will automate the process of fetching a code from developer and testing that, and before testing, it will build the code, and before building itself, it performs some scans, and it will deploy into a software. Later, it will perform some periodic scanning, and this process will be happen some rapid manner in this fast based. Okay, that is the main goal of DevOps. And another feature was IAC. IAC in the sense where infrastructure as a code, it will manage the infrastructure through the code rather than manual intervention. Okay, and monitoring and logging. It is also one of the key feature where it will ensures the system performance tracking and system reliability is fine. And if you wanted to troubleshoot for any of the issue which is occurring, then we are going to check the metrics and majorly the open source tools Prometheus and Grafana. I think everyone knows who was in the space of DevOps and cloud SRE. Okay, collaboration. Yeah, it is also main one of the key feature where it is going to aim for the collaboration and maintain a break the communication silos and maintain a proper communication between the development and operations. Okay, and we'll see some benefits of DevOps. Majorly, the benefits of DevOps is, as I said, it is a faster delivery in the software should be there, and it will reduces the downtime or system failures, we can say, and it will improve the collaboration between the teams. That is, communication will be improved as a middle layer. It will works, and they are, middle layer in the sense they are not like mediated. But they will do your work and they will closely collaborate and understand what exactly the developer is facing, some issues or some communication silos or barriers. That will tries to communicate with the another team, and if whatever the things can be automated from the DevOps end, that DevOps guy will work on that. And efficient resource utilization. Yeah, this is also one of the best thing, like how to utilize resources 100% fully. Okay, and coming to the another thing, it is DevSecOps. Now we just see DevOps. DevOps is basically development plus operations. Now, if you see the DevSecOps, it includes the development plus security plus operations, where these three combines. Let's say in general DevOps methodology, security will be treated as a separate entity or separated team, where it will comes into charge or takes in charge after completing the deployment part. Later, it will comes with a security like a report. Then it will passes to the development team. But in DevSecOps, what exactly it happens was where the security is integrated in all possible life cycle, I mean software development life cycle stages, in the early stages. That means developer whenever commits a code, or else developer while writing the code itself, we are trying to integrate security within that particular IDE itself. That is the main motto of DevSecOps. It will integrate, as you can see here definition also, it will integrate security into the each stage of the DevOps process, instead of treating it as a after throw. Okay, and it ensures the security practices such as vulnerability scanning and threat detection, secret scanning. It is also one of the key thing, and compliance checks, and there is some reference of frameworks like HIPAA, CERTIN, and SEBI, and RBI. These are some reference body frameworks where it will complaints against those security policies. Those are government regulatory bodies and automated within the software development lifecycle. Okay, and there are other security practices also like ISC scanning and SCA, software composition analysis, SAST and DAST, static and dynamic application security testing. IAST is also comes into picture, interactive security testing, interactive application security. Okay, and moving further, we will see key features of DevSecOps. The key features of DevSecOps includes security automation in each possible stages of software development lifecycle. We are going to integrate security in that, and it will automate the scans, and we can get your reports, and it can be notified to the developer directly from the pipeline by using Jenkins, CI/CD, Azure DevOps, like that. Okay, the main key feature is security automation. Shifting left, it is the one of the important, we can say, where in DevOps, as I said, the security is treated at the end as a separate entity, but here in this it incorporates the security early in the development process rather than at the end, how traditional DevOps follows. Okay, and continuous monitoring, it will detect and mitigates security risk in the real time as DevOps only, but with respect to security also it will cover. Those are some key features of this. And also I forgot threat modeling. It will identify potential security threats and fixes them proactively. Threat modeling in the sense whenever designing, in the design phase itself, like a design or plan, we can say, in software development lifecycle there is a stages, right? Like plan stage, later build, first one, plan stage, later develop stage, later build stage, and then it follows test, it follows deployment, and then it will be a continuous feedback, right? So in the plan stage itself, this particular threat modeling will come into picture, and it will design in such a way like what are the possible, or else some earlier data occurrence security flaws that will be considered, and with respect to reference bodies also, the architecture is designed in such a way it is not going to have or find security flaws against any compliance bodies. Okay, and these are some benefits of DevSecOps. You can see it will reduce the security vulnerabilities and in the application, and it will ensure a compliance with a certain standard government regulatory bodies, and it will increases the speed of deployment while maintaining a security, as DevOps maintains a speed of deployment, but it is development plus deployment, here both will come. Okay, and maintain the security in DevOps it cannot be achieved. In DevSecOps, along with the speed, reliability, it will achieve security. Okay, that is the key point, and it will improve response to security threats. It is also one of the benefit of DevOps. And moving further, AI Ops. Yeah, coming to the AI Ops. AI in the sense artificial intelligence for IT operations. Wherever the IT operations is there, we are going to use artificial intelligence to automate that particular task. Okay, first of all we'll see what is the actual definition and see key features as well as the benefits of that. AI Ops applies artificial intelligence and machine learning to IT operations to enhance performance. Remember, enhance performance monitoring, anomaly detection and automation. Anomaly detection in the sense wherever there is some new thing, okay, some like regular, other than regular some flaws or some errors, if it detected something new issue arises, that is called the anomaly detection. and it will going to automate that particular thing. Okay, majorly it helps organizations to manage a large scale IT infrastructure by applying system logs and identify potential issues before they become critical. Okay, this is a major important thing. Whenever there is some large scale IT like projects or firms, we can say, if there is some hundreds or thousands of servers, and the infrastructure was very huge, it might be on-prem or cloud, then it is very tedious to manage and identify some potential issues in each and every servers, in each and every platform like that. So in that case, this AI ops will help to identify that in the early stages only, and that will, let's say if it is detected, that will makes notified. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, that will notify to the respective who deals that with respect to DevOps team, with respect to DevSecOps team, with respect to developer, tester, whoever wants to notify that, that will notify by using this particular thing automatically. Okay, that is the actual definition. And coming to the key features, as I said, it will automate the security incidents, and it will identify the security failures before the user's attack only. Okay, let's say if there is some security flaw in the production level, or else before going to the production level, sorry, in that case, if it goes up, then definitely there might be a chances of exploiting that vulnerability, and attackers trying to enter into the website and steal some sensitive data. The flaw is in such a critical, then while testing itself, it will identify in the software development lifecycle before the deployment part, it will identify and raises the incident automatically. Okay, that is the one of the key feature. And predictive analysis. A predictive analysis in the sense it will checks. If as I said, if it is large scale, then there are some thousands of logs, right? So it is a very much tedious task, and to go through the logs and to analyze each and everything. So in this case, particularly if we use AI, and we can provide the logs, and that will, based upon that particular data, it will predict the future analysis, and it will uses AI here and anticipate we can prevent those particular issues as a predictive analysis. Okay, and event correlation, it will analyze multiple data sources to detect patterns and root cause analysis for the failure. This is also one of the key feature. And intelligent alerting, also one of the key feature, where it will reduces the alert fatigue by filtering out non-critical notifications. Okay, let's say if there is no much criticality which can be resolved as a part of the process, but and not as soon as possible, not at that moment, so it will segregate as such a way if we provide some conditions like that. And coming to the benefits, these are the some benefits of DevSecOps, AI ops. There is a faster issue detection, and it will raises the incident, and it will helps in resolving and troubleshooting faster, where it will improve the system uptime and reliability. Okay, and it will also reduces the intervention of IT teams. Okay, where it is going to automate, right? So obviously the manual intervention of operations teams efforts will be saved. And AI driven, by using AI driven insights, it will make making decision can be enhanced. Okay, those are the some benefits of AI ops. And moving to the ML ops, ML in the sense machine learning operations. What exactly the ML ops was? It is the application of DevOps principle, okay, to machine learning, where it will enable the development, dev and deployment part, monitoring part, and maintenance of ML models in production environments. Majorly these categories. First one was development, and second was deployment. After deployment, monitoring, where it is going to maintain some ML models in production environment. Okay, where it is going to streamlines the life cycle of ML models, and it will ensure the efficiency, scalability, and automation. If you see here, efficiency, where development efficiency will be increased, and scalability, deployment scalability increased, and automation, where the monitoring and troubleshooting automation can be done by using this particular ML ops. Okay, and here the key features of ML ops was we can train a model, and deployment part, okay, where it is automates the process of training and deploying ML models. This was the one of the key feature where it is going to help to understand the future like prediction as AI, and data versioning also can be done here, where it will track the changes in data sets to maintain the reproducibility, okay, and continuous integration and delivery of ML, where CI/CD will come into picture, where it will ensure seamless updates to ML models. And moving to the some benefits of ML ops, where it is going to speed up ML model deployment, okay, machine learning model deployments. It will accelerate, and it will improve the model performance through the continuous learning. Uh, and every error is a new learning, and that can be trained automatically. That is a key feature it was saying. And it will ensure the consistency and reliability of ML applications. Consistency and reliability will be maintained throughout the ML applications. And the last one was it will enhances a collaboration between the data scientists and engineers, where CI/CD will come into picture, where DevOps methodology uses here for enhancing your collaboration and communication, and accelerating here also. In each and every cases, DevOps methodology followed by ML ops. These are the some benefits of ML ops. And coming to the FinOps. FinOps is basically financial operations, financial plus operations. Majorly, it will be considered for cloud operations for cloud. If you consider the definition, FinOps is a cloud financial management. Where it is going to help organizations to optimize cloud spending while ensuring performance and scalability. Performance and scalability should be there with optimizing the cloud spending, okay, like with respect to cost, okay. That is the main motto here. It will enable companies to track, analyze, and control cloud costs efficiently, okay. And if you see the key features of FinOps, these are the some key features, where the cost validity and monitoring will be there. Visibility. Dedicated dashboards for that, where they can track real-time cloud spendings and identifies unnecessary expenses. Let's say if AWS service was created, if it is not, no one is using in the organization for more than 1 or 2 months, then obviously in that case it is very much important to track that particular thing and to suspend or delete that particular account, where it will increases in the it will decreases in the cost consumption, okay. That is the main motto of them, okay. And resource optimization. Let's say whatever the resource is there with respect to cloud, they need to suggest ways to reduce the costs of the particular resources, such as reserving instances. If you see in AWS and in any cloud providers publicly, they have some reserved instances and on-demand instances, where on-demand is somewhat more cost compared to reserved instances. Reserved in the sense there is a dedicated instance type which is you are going to take for dedicated time for some 6 months or 1 year, like that. So if you reserve that, then it will get some cost optimization, okay. Scaling down used resources, unused resources. These are the main job of the particular FinOps guys, and these are the key features you can say. And the collaboration and accountability also should be there, where they need to collaborate with that team who are using that particular resources, and they need to ensure the different teams understand their cloud usage and spending. Let's say if some new team was formed in the organization, definitely they need to collaborate with the team, and they need to know what is the requirement of them, and they need to get some analyze that particular requirements. Is it really required? And some business use case they need to show, and then they will get finance approval. Then only the instances or the accounts can be created. And also one more thing, budgeting and forecasting. They need to predict the future cloud costs, and it will helps in planning for future resources creation, everything. And the benefits of FinOps was it will prevent a cloud overspending, cost will be prevented, improves your financial accountability, and for cloud usage accountability can be increased, and it will enhance your cost efficiency without impacting performance. It is most important. Without affecting the existing performance, the cost can be reduced. That is the one of the key benefit. And it will provide actionable insights for better cloud cost management. Actionable in the sense they need to take dedicated actions for better cost management instead of just having conversations. They need to come into action, and they need to check how was the resource utilization, who was using it, when was using it, and how much resource percentage they are using efficiently. That means resource utilization, everything they need to be checked. That is some key benefit of FinOps. And coming to the last and final, it is data ops. Data ops in the sense data operations. So if you come to the definition, data ops is a set of practices that automates and streamlines data management. First one was data management and analytics and engaging workflows. Okay, where they need to streamlines. Automation will come into picture here, and they need to manage your data, and they need to manage some analytics and some engineering workflows also. Okay, this is the main concept of data ops, and it will ensures the data is collected and processed, validated, and delivered efficiently for use in business intelligence, AI and ML models, and analytics applications. Okay, remember these are some key points where data is collected, processed, validated, and delivered. That is the by using AI and ML, some business intelligent insights, they are going to process that. Okay, so this is the definition of DevOps. Data ops, and these are some key features of data ops. They need to automate data pipelines. How DevOps pipelines should be there, DevSecOps will be there, and where DevSecOps, the security will be automated, right? So here in pipeline, they need to automate your data. Okay, where there is a smooth and efficient data movement will be there, and data quality and validation. How security checks is happening in DevSecOps, like that in data ops, the data accuracy and integrity is validated, and they need to maintain certain quality in that. And collaboration between data teams, where collaboration also ensures here, where encourages the collaboration between the data engineers, scientists, and analytics. Those are the different roles. How development operations will be there, like that. Here they are interacting with the data engineers, the data scientists, and analytics. Okay, these are some key features of FinOps, and some benefits of data ops. Some benefits of data ops was it will ensure a faster and more reliable data processing. If you see in each and every ops, there is a fastness in processing. Okay, here also it will ensure more faster and reliable in data processing. It will reduce the errors in data driven decision making, and it will enhance the collaboration between the data teams, as I said, data scientists, data analytics, data engineers, and it will improve the scalability and flexibility of data infrastructure. Okay, these are some key benefits of the data ops, and these are some final thoughts and a comparison of all ops concepts. Basically this should be in a table, but it came in a normal thing. Okay, these are some key takeaways. Okay, and let me get all in single screen. Yeah, got it. Yeah, where DevOps was the first one, where it will improve the software delivery speed. Okay, speed only it will consider with reliability. Okay, and SecOps in the sense it will ensure security as a part of the development, and AI Ops enhances the IT operations with using artificial intelligence. Those are the third one. ML Ops in the sense it will automates a machine learning workflows. Okay, and fifth one it is FinOps. It will optimizes cloud financial management, and sixth one it is Data Ops, where it is going to streamlines the data processing and analytics. These are some key takeaways, and what we can say. All the information about the AI Ops. I hope you got certain information regarding this particular video. Something you learned new. Obviously, while I'm preparing for this video, I learned something newly, and I hope you got what I have